Hello, this is Steve Long, and we're looking at a project that's 124 years old. And we're going to take a look at the stripping of the paint on this particular project as well as the cleaning of terracotta on it. So here's my buddy Guy Mazza from Prosoco applying Safety Peel 1 on the rotunda at the clock tower. And what you're going to see is you're going to cover that with our overcoat paper and let it dwell overnight before removing it. Now we remove with high pressure water, but what you see is not the process of the cleaning, but the what we see afterwards. And note the old terracotta, and you're also going to see the gold leaf that's also exposed in the terracotta. So now we're going to do a test on the facade of the terracotta building, and we're going to use 3 different paint strippers to determine which one gives us the best production on this entire process. After allowing to dwell overnight, we now mechanically remove the paint stripper so that we get that residue, the bulk of it, off first before cleaning. Then we use a high-powered pressure washer and we apply that over top of our paint stripper and remove whatever is left on it to get an idea which one comes off the most easily and the best in one shot. Because terracotta is like a tile, you'll note that we get a little closer on it with a high pressure washing system than we normally would do with regular masonry. Because it's dense and hard and it's a tile, we can do this. We will choose to use Safety Peel 1 by Prosoco to remove the paint. I want you to note those striations in the terracotta. It is not the paint, it's actually the terracotta itself. So years ago, before painting, they did not clean it, and this is what it looked like prior to painting. So now we have to clean the terracotta that was underneath that paint. So we're now going to run samples of EK Restoration Cleaner by Prosoco, and this is a liquid material. Some of our other products come in gel, but this is how we apply it first and allow it to dwell. Once it has been on the surface for about 3 to 5 minutes, we then clean it off with a power washer. Again, we can get up close because it's a dense, hard surface like a tile. So now, for this building that was built in 1924 and then painted at some point after it had gotten dirty, now we have a system for removing the paint stripper as well as to clean the existing terracotta that's underneath it, and in pretty good condition, by the way. And you see our sample once completed and dried, and that's the process, and that's the way we're going to go on it. So we've got our sequence of procedures we'll do to clean this building.